This is the Jackalope login screen. Once you've registered and been granted an account, you will log into this screen. Once you log in, you're going to come to the main page and see various tools and buttons to create a master schedule. You're first going to want to go to Count Plan. Once you go to Count Plan, you'll choose Yearly Schedule, and you'll want to ensure that the year that displays in this box is the year of the schedule you're trying to create. The first time that you log in at the beginning of the season, you will see that the status for all of the sites assigned is set to no data, and this is intended. You'll see the fields of responsible agency, sequence number, a directional count flag, if there is one, the vehicle class ID, if that's been assigned for the year, the route, the street, the count location description, the county and the sheet that it falls on, the city and the sheet that it falls on if it's within a city, any location comments such as school or HPMS, and then if it's a vehicle class site, you will see the number of boxes and the last time the class count was done. You can do a couple of things from this screen. You can create an output of the entire schedule just by leaving everything unfiltered and unchecked and clicking Excel. And you can open this, and you can choose to filter by your own agency, do any sort of analysis that you want to do. You can also use the filters in this row of boxes underneath the field names. So for instance, if you also only want to see your own agency, you would type that in here. It's set to contains. If you only want to see your vehicle class IDs, you could sort. If you want to see only a particular county set of sites, you could filter by that as well. And then when you click these buttons to export, that's all you would see. From the screen, you can also create field listings for printing and bringing out in the field. You can use the same set of filters and sorts, or you can choose a particular list of sites and then click the button for field listing for selected sites. It will open up a PDF, which is formatted for printing and bringing into the field. So it will include the empty cells needed to write in the count date and any field notes and the staff ID. Once data has been submitted and approved by central office, you will come back to the yearly schedule and you will see that the status column at the far right now has different status values. So if a recount has been requested, that's what you will see in this field. If data was received and an ADT was created, you will see that it's changed to good data. In essence, those are complete. If there was some issue in loading the file, you will see that it's errored, and we would want to review the errored ones right away. You can use the same buttons to create a recount field listing or simply an Excel listing. So you would click these here and get a field listing for the selected sites. You can also use the filters as we showed before. So if you want to only see those that you've been asked to do a recount, you can type in the word recount, hit enter, and you'll see how many that you have recounted. So this concludes how to use the yearly schedule part of Jackalope.